fuckers. Right. OK. Welcome, Wendy. Nice to see you, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much.
Nice to see you, my
I'm
darling.
Judith.
Welcome. Nice to have a mother in the
Sister
kitchen. How are you?
Fine.
Good to see you,
Kenny.
Kenny.
My husband, Kenny.
Hiya.
Nice to see you. Right, welcome to Everworth. So, who's the most talented chef?
Oh,
They're all good.
It's between the three of us.
Right.
Unfortunately, Kenny on the end, not brilliant.
Clearly not professional chefs, but what I'm expecting is 110% commitment.
So who is tonight's family brigade? Mum Judith has been cooking all her life and is a long-suffering mother to ballsy daughter Wendy, who shot to fame as Scylla Battersby Brown in Coronation Street. Loudmouth daughter Lindsay, who played lesbian barmaid Jez in Shameless. And joining them in the kitchen is Wendy's husband, Ken. With 3 strong women to contend with, it's no wonder Ken is crapping himself. But he should be nervous, because tonight the family must cook a 3-course dinner for 50 hungry diners. On the menu, a starter of spinach and goat cheese soufflé, spiced monkfish with a citrus vinaigrette, and rosewater cream with pistachio and raisin biscuits.
Right, we ready, yes?
Yeah. Yes.
OK, good. Right, anyone ever made a soufflé at home?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Good, what kind of soufflé was it?
A crab one, I made.
Crap. Actually, mine wasn't at home.
Well, then shit.
Crab.
Oh, crab, sorry. Now, add egg yolks to your flour and milk soufflé base. The secret behind the soufflé is to make sure we've got no lumps in there.
That's it.
Eggs, spinach, and then your cheeses.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, egg whites in. OK. Just before it comes out, a little bit of seasoning in there, off. So just to the really nice sort of soft peak stage. Half of it in now.
Meringue type.
Yeah? Spatula in and twist. Basically turning it over. OK, moulds.
You've got to be
No.
careful not to get it on the side.
Yeah, that's right. Otherwise, it's all going to go out like caked sort of grime on the side of a mould. They're not going to pay for that. Now, why were you looking at Kenny when I said no shit all over the sides?
Kenny's eyes aren't brilliant.
How many fingers?
I can't see your hand, let alone how many fingers.
Holy crap! OK, just lightly tap down. By banging it out, any blocks of air disappeared. Good, right. Kenny, Lindsay over there.
Right.
Yeah, Judith, Wendy here, yes?
Yeah.
Any questions? Right, are we ready, guys, yes?
Yes, yes.
Off we go. On order, 4 covers, table 8. 4 soufflé, 4 monkfish, 4 rosewater.
Yes, chef!
Hello, Kenny, you in there?
I was there, yeah.
You in there? OK, good.
I can't get the rest of the lumps out of this.
OK, beat it, Wendy.
No.
Yeah?
Is that OK now?
Yeah,
to
that's
put the,
fine.
Right, the
Absolutely
spinach
fine. On order, 2 covers, table 12. 2 soufflé, 2 monkfish, 2 rosewater.
Yes,
Right,
chef.
guys, first 4 soufflés should be in, yes?
in. OK.
Let's go.
Nearly there, chef.
Let's go. You must be very proud of them, you know.
Oh, absolutely proud of them. Yeah.
But I mean, in terms of character, I mean, they're both...
They're both characters.
Yeah, both characters. So Lindsay was the lesbian barmaid, right?
One's a lesbian, one's a slapper.
Right,
Yeah,
one's a
eh? So what does that?
What does that say?
See?
What are you saying, Gordon?
You said no, I was just trying to ask for Mum. It says, what?
It stems from the mother.
Thank you.
Mum's shelf, top shelf, and your shelf is on there. Yeah, good girl. That's it. Table of 6, in.
Okay.
Now you're in comedy for 4 years, yes?
Yeah.
Do you feel like Scylla when you wake up in the morning? Because he's working
Bit
so
of
hard.
eyeshadow, short skirt, I'm off.
Oh, come on, Kenny. That looks really liquidy. Why is it so runny? Did you whip up the egg whites?
I did for ages.
That's not going to rise.
Is it not?
You got more chance than Archibald Thompson winning a Michelin star, that fucking thing rising, trust me. Having you standing here is like Frank Spencer in the kitchen. The only thing that's missing, yeah, is the berry. Right, start again.
I'm going to get rid of it.
Ready to go in, chef.
Lovely. Would you pay for those, Judith?
Well done, Mum.
I would
you pay
pay
for
for
them?
it.
Well
Of course
done.
I would, yes.
Please, come on, quickly.